Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of FilAmstagram! And we're back at it today. We're doing our DIY project and it's two exciting ones. We have the long-awaited roof rack we bought secondhand. We'll explain that to you as the video progresses. And also, this is an awning. 2.5 meters by 3 meters, I think? 3 meters in length out that way.
Yep.
So it's going to be a game changer for us. So we're excited to get going on this.
We're going to have a front porch.
Yeah. I'm going to show you our process. So anyway, I'm just getting old angle bars that we have lying around from an old table. And this one's a very solid piece. So we'll use this on all the corners, and then these will go, this one will get cut and go in the middle. This is going to go in like this. So this is going to be our gutter, you know. So, let me do it the other way. So basically, essentially, like that, we'll screw that right into we'll bolt it right in from the inside, and we'll have 1, 2, 3 on each side. Instead of having one big long piece, I don't think that's necessary. Each piece will be probably about 10 centimeters, 4 inches, give or take, and it should be strong enough to hold it. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this off and clean it. Second thing, I have to clean all this down with an angle grinder, get all the old paint and all the old rust off, and then third thing we're going to do is paint everything in our black and white spatter that we have going on with our theme now with the van. So we'll keep you posted.
Oh, there she is. Hi, Miriam.
Hi.
Hi, cutie. My two cuties. Cutie girl and cutie dog.
Alright, so sometimes you just have to go with it, It's a really windy day, so it's not the best to spray paint, but when you put a project off for too long and you have to get motivated to do it. We'll get to it here. And of course, some final touches now with our white spatter, so here we go. Paint this with the anti-corrosive metal paint, It'll be brand new. It'll be good as gold for another 40 years. Okay, so we had to take the roof rack back down. But first, we have to get the old screws out. So these screws would go down into the gutter. The gutter is that part in your vehicle, above the windows that it's like a ledge. So these screws would come down and screw into the gutter. And they decided to weld them right on here because this is a handmade piece of roof rack. So because it's welded on there, there's no way to take them off and there's no way to reuse them because they're very much rusted and bent. So I had to actually cut them out and blast from the past here. You remember the face shields? Safety first, visibility second. Does that work? I don't know. Okay, next step. This is our gutter piece. I don't know if you can see, I kind of switched gears here because I really wanted to get these hook bolts in because it's going to be under the awning too. So not only is this for the roof rack, it's also for our awning. So underneath our awning, I want to have places where we can hook like a lamp, lights that we could see at night and stuff like that. So that's why I really wanted these in. So the next step is to cut our little gutter pieces into little sections. So we have 3 sections where the bolts are going to be going through. There we go! It's our first piece right there. I'm not going to pick it up and show you because it's scalding hot right now and it'd melt my skin. Alright, this is the gutter, right? We cut out this piece last night. It's the last thing we did last night. We're going to bolt it right through the van with 1/4 inch bolts. And that's gonna attach down through the holes that were already in the stainless, because it's almost impossible to drill through the stainless with the bit that we have. All right, so we're just gonna mark the holes where we're gonna drill. Right about there. All right. It's always a scary thing making holes in your vehicle, you know. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry, Big White. Almost there. All right. Let's see if these fit. Hopefully they fit. Do you see it coming, Miriam? I mean, is it more than before? It's turning, but is it going through the wall? Oh yeah, it is. Cool. Do you want to be the one to put the nut in the washer on?
On here? Yeah.
All right, that means you tightened it. Hey, high five on that. Okay, so Miriam did a good job on that one. We're just gonna rinse and repeat on this next one. Look at that, there they are.
Looks legit. It's a good day to be climbing a calamansi tree. But I'm not here for the fruits of this, but the fruits of Paul's labor over here.
And Bing's, of course.
Yeah, we're having a sort of a problem here that we're trying to solve.
Yeah, we knew we would have, because this was built for an L300 FV, but it was a standard. This is this is man-made, so this box was custom made. So they made it a little bit wider than the typical L300, which we're grateful for. But as you can see, the discrepancy, this edge, if you looked at the other side, it was right at the edge here. And we decided to keep that way because we had to put our awning on, and we want our awning on closer to the edge, which means we had to make up for this side. So this isn't like just a leisure vehicle for us. This is actually our family vehicle too. So when you're on a project like this, DIY, you kind of have to get it done, or else you're just stuck. You're not going to be getting anywhere, because you can't just do half the side of a roof rack and then go drive around town or go on vacation somewhere. It's not going to work. That's the reality of our situation. We have to get this done so we can get the vehicle actually back on the road. So the first thing being, we have to take this back off and just try to start fitting in these pieces of tubing that we need here for the gutters on this side. Okay, we have our 3 pieces that are going to be going, 1, 2, 3. 2 plumbers wrenches. Bing's going to maintain where we want it to bend, and I'm going to try to bend it. Alright, ready? You're going to go up? Oh, it worked. I think that's enough. That's a little too much. Alright, that's one. This one needs a lot. Ready? Alright, we did it, babe. Alright, so we have our 3 pieces marked where the bracket's going to go in the middle. You see those lines there, so we want to drill holes on either side of that because that's what's going to attach to the van. So I'm just going to hold it here with the vice grip. It's already solid. It's already solid without even having screws in. Super excited about this. We're going to burn the midnight oil tonight. Do you see it yet?
Yeah, I see it. It's high. You need to go a little lower and a little to your right. We called in the professional. Times like these, you need a professional.
Alright, so Miriam got it through. Now I'm just doing the final tightening here. See the light? Okay, so this is the middle bracket. See, we have one up front down there and the other one we just did. Look at that. It came right through. That never happens on DIY when there's 2 holes that are 4 inches apart. And then the 2 holes on this thing They all had to line up perfectly for that to come straight through like that.